What's going on, everyone? This is Rado with PhoneArena, and today we have an unboxing for you. We're going to unbox the new iPad Pro 11 inches and its Folio Smart Keyboard cover. And here we are, iPad and the keyboard. Let's get this out of the way first and start with the main event, because life is too short. You have this pull tab here for easy removal of that plastic cover. Get this off, and let's open this big box. Here it is. It's very light, first impression. Let's remove that other piece of plastic. Some say one of the most satisfying feelings in the world. Here's the new iPad Pro with 11-inch display. It's very thin and light. Let's take a look at what else we have in the box here. We have this paper bag here with some information. Because ours is the silver model, we also have the pin ejector, the SIM ejector tool, and some other user guides information that we're never going to read. Then we have the new Type-C connector. No longer we have the Lightning port, so the new iPad is with USB Type-C. And here is the new charging adapter. It has a new design with the USB-C connector here for USB power delivery support. Don't be confused by this design here of the charger. It is the European version. So, anything else in that box? Nothing else is going to come out of it. And we already took a look at the iPad itself. It's incredibly cool. Stay tuned for our review. Now I'll get this out of the way and let's begin with this guy, the Smart Folio keyboard. This doesn't have the convenient pull tab here in any of its sides, so we have to use this little friend here to cut the plastic. Okay, let's open the box. And here is the Smart Keyboard Folio. As far as I can see, it is a bit thicker than the last generation for the previous iPad Pro. Actually, let's see what we have here in this paper thingy. Although I believe it's nothing that interesting. Same thing. User guides, warranty details. Nothing really too exciting. Yeah, let's get this out of the way, and this as well. And here it is, the new Folio keyboard. Let's try to put the iPad in. So this direction, this here is for the camera. Oh, that's nice. It snaps right in with magnets. And then we have this position for the angle on the screen, like this position. And we have one more, which is right here. So this is the new Folio cover for the iPad Pro. It has, as far as I can see, way more intuitive design. We just put the iPad in and we're ready to go. Whereas the previous one was a bit harder to figure out. So yeah. That was our first unboxing and first impressions with the new iPad Pro 11-inch and the Smart Folio cover. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay tuned for our review.